Surah Al-Qadr. Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. And what can make you know what is the night of decree? The night of decree is better than thousand months. The angel and the spirit descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter. Peace it is until the emergence of dawn. Why is Al-Qadr important? Al-Qadr is the concept that Allah knows everything and has already decided everything that will happen. This is called predestination. Although Al-Qadr is a key belief within Sunni Islam, it is also important within Shia Islam. This is because Shia Muslims believe that nothing can happen without the will of Allah.